I love cattail pollen. You can find it on cattails in late spring or early summer, when the flowers come in two sections. This female section at the top is where the pollen is formed, and you can just knock it off. I usually just bend them over into a brown paper bag and gently knock them so that I don't damage the plant. Cattail pollen is really good for you. It's high in vitamins and minerals. It has iron in it. It's good for digestion, skin health. It prevents cancer. And it's a really great and easy thing to forage. Cattail pollen can be used as a substitute for flour in any recipe. But today, we're going to make pancakes. I'm going to make my pancake batter from scratch. Feel free to use store-bought if you prefer. This will make enough batter for about 2 people. So double it if you have more. I'm going to make my pancake batter from scratch. Feel free to use store-bought if you prefer. This should be enough batter for 2 people, so double it or triple it if you have more. So in this bowl, I should have 2 cups of flour, but I'm going to substitute a 1/4 cup of flour for this beautifully colored cattail pollen. So I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of cattail pollen. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. Into that I'm going to pour a 1/4 cup of oil and 2 eggs. Now add just enough water to make a nice runny batter. It should be about 2 cups. And mix well. Got little bits in there. Over a medium fire, you can place a skillet or a camping pot or anything that you have to cook in. And we're gonna make pancakes. Thank you so much for joining us today. We love having you guys over here and we love sharing our space with you. And if you have crazy recipes you'd like us to try, or if you have any questions, send them on over and we'll do our best. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We're always cooking crazy things in the works and we'd love you to join us. Thank you so much. Bye.